He's vicious. He's ready to attack. Ooh. Watch him go. Oh, him? What he gonna do? Ain't gonna do nothing.
Can't even bark.
Bark louder than his bite. Skin. Open up the front unit for me. Here. Right here. 5834 is the front. Yeah. They already been in the comments talking about renting it out. It's just capping. People always got something funny to say. Probably turn it to the left, man. I'm finna get I was just getting y'all in. And you got the alarm code. Go ahead. Let me grab that other one and we keep pushing. He got them doors up, huh? And some took down. Huh?
He put his bed in here.
Yeah.
He's supposed to come here tomorrow.
Who, you? Get this other window out. Oh man, just picking up these windows for the guy to come drop them in over here at this unit. And then we gotta go over here to this other spot and clean another unit out, a 2-bedroom for a young lady that's moving out of her house and says she want to come take a look, but I'd rather have it smelling good in there for her when she come peep it out, get it all cleaned up. So something on the agenda, but we trying to get this first unit fixed up right now. So the guy that's gonna be watching out over here everything for us, he's actually gonna be taking possession of the front. That way we got somebody over here looking out for the property while the work is going on. Transients coming in here stealing the workers' tools and stuff. So yeah, y'all been over here with me before. 3 1-bedrooms, and then in the back here it's a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom house that we getting ready to totally remodel, add a door, ADA ramp access here in the back, ADA access ramp somehow up here in the front. Still trying to figure out how we're gonna go about doing that. May have to just open up this section of the wall and have the ramp come down to a landing and spin around and go that way to another landing, turn and slope down towards the grass area. But it's definitely a whole lot of work that needs to be done on this 3-bedroom. Got something planned for that unit that's pretty special and should work out pretty good. So that's what we gonna do with that. He took off running, doing all that barking at his little tail. Come on, babe, we gotta get going, y'all. We was just dropping the window. Does it look smaller or it goes up and down, huh?
It goes up and down, and it has to go
I need to lean that a little more, babe, in case the ground shake when these earthquakes.
Take it and put it low.
Yeah, like that. What's happening, Skin? You know, look, it's how I look, but you know when your mom get through with it, how it's gonna be looking in here. It's gonna be nice. He got bathroom looking good. Come on, we gotta run, y'all. Turn out the light. Oh, let me see something. Is that window easy to pop out, babe? Shit.
No, actually, he's gonna have to put that in from the inside out.
No, I'm talking about.
Yeah.
This sucker's stuck. He gotta come.
He said he was gonna get it out.
Yeah, so I don't want to break. But you see, when they replace the windows, all they do is take these out. That's how I was telling you at our house. Put the window into this, and then this like the little rubber, and put that on. Told your mom to go in there and just get the bleach and the cleaning stuff we need. She done went shopping in the janitor supply. Oh man, over here getting some cleaning supplies. Time to turn janitor right now. Got young Chatty at work too. Ready to do some cleaning. Here she goes. Oh, these old saddles and stuff. I'm gonna put this in the trunk.
This right here.
I'm taking this out.
Wait, I'm trying to figure out where did this threshold come from?
That's right here.
Oh, that's over here.
And I noticed a couple outlets need to be replaced too. All right, man. Now we gotta get busy. Oh my goodness, man. Where was these at?
Huh?
I need them for the
Look at this. Let me tell you, I thought these blinds was jacked up.
I told you these blinds was good, but look at that outlet right there.
Now that has to be fixed. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's a socket.
Pretty dim in here, huh? I think these don't like this. Because I'm really examining it.
Yeah, it's a cool little spot. You know what I mean? Somebody needs somewhere to go.
And you know, this to do.
We just.
I can't believe you did that.
What? What?
Parked on the ground. That's crazy.
I was moving out the driveway.
I don't care. I don't want that. What?
That ain't even no grass. That's weeds.
Yeah,
What
but
is she?
still, I don't want nobody to be thinking they can do that.
Well, the owner can do that, right, Chuck?
Why can I do that? I'm sorry.
You the owner.
I can't do that. I don't want that.
That's weeds, man.
No, it doesn't
I
matter.
don't want to be blocking the guys when they come in.
No.
You sure spending a lot of time with that.
Because these are important to me. This is important stuff to me.
She's on one, Skin. Now we got to have some good cold beverages while we here. A little boo. Is it not? That sucker's cold, huh? Yeah. Here you want to plug this in like in center somewhere back here on this side.
This is not a child. I want you to go up there.
Oh yeah, she gonna trip
You
on
don't
that.
like that. You don't like that.
You wanna go up there and say?
Let's look at the cabinets.
It's like a whole room, mommy. I didn't realize it looked like that. Look. And daddy and this ladder holds me, so I know it holds you. Look how this come down. This could be like an office or studio, creative studio. Going up there. Watch.
You know what I noticed that I don't like?
You can walk up in there. Go on. Daddy, come on.
Place for her.
For what? Yeah, it's a trip, huh? This is nice. So you can put some drywall up around here and on the ceiling, and it'll close it off, and it'd be like a whole nother room up here.
Yeah.
Heating and air over there. You won't see none of that. Be careful when you come down. Turn around and come down the way you went up. Yeah. There you go. Step down.
I'm looking at all the sockets. I'm looking at all the door handles, knobs, all that.
All right, guys, it's coming along. We've been in here putting in work for a few hours. So what I'm gonna do with this carpet is go get a carpet cleaner tomorrow. Send my man over here, shampoo these carpets. There's some Windex over here. It's a smaller bedroom. It's probably be for the young lady's child. And access to this back patio out here. Cool little patio. It's Got through sweeping out here real good. Lounge lit up. View of them California palm trees. Yep, so this is good to go. Get some Rust-Oleum paint. Have them paint this gate again. But this looks cool. See, when you see these big boys like this, I'm trying to see if the lane is up. You gotta know how to get by them, but yeah. I'm gone, baby. Okay, I'm gone. Hold on, mud. Mud machine. I see you brace yourself. Yeah. No, she's cool, but it ain't like that P car. We was in that 911 Targa. Okay. She gotta dump him in there.